Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Mystic Mountain Monster Being Destroyed. So what do we see here? Well, we see what might look like a monster out in space. And this is actually a star-forming region. We're seeing stars themselves in the foreground. We see dust scattered around. And most of the stars are actually hidden here. In fact, there are many stars forming within the dust cloud that we see at the center that has that monstrous form. Now, one example of this is up at the top here. This is a star forming. Now, we cannot see the star itself. The star is hidden away by the dust. So the dust blocks out enough light that we cannot see it at all. However, we can see the effects of the star in the jets of material coming out. And here they're coming out to the left and to the right. And those jets help form what are known as Herbig-Auro objects that are associated with young star formation and are areas where jets of material strike concentrations of matter within the interstellar medium and cause it to glow. So they are not the star itself that is forming, but they are the result of the star formation. Now, while we don't see that effect at every single region here, we can see a lot of other areas where things are pointing out. It looks like there are fingers pointing outward from different areas. Those are also regions of star formation. Sometimes the jets haven't formed, sometimes they've already dissipated. So we won't necessarily see those jets every single time, but each of those has a star forming at its peak. And that will then eventually eat away at the dust. So we say that the dust is being destroyed, or this monster is being destroyed. Well, yes, within a few million years, the monster's head that we see up at the top and the rest of the body will eventually be destroyed by those stars that are forming. The stars will continually eat away at the dust, and that's what they're doing right now. That's why those tendrils are pointing out. Those are the densest areas and are going to be the last ones to be destroyed. The last areas that will be pushed away by the energetic winds of these newly forming stars. So that's what we're seeing is those last remnants there where stars are forming. As those stars form, they will eat away further into the monster. And eventually, all that will be left here is a new cluster of stars. So the patterns that we see, especially in the dust and gas, do not last a very long time, at least not astronomically speaking. Within just a couple of million years, this would all be gone. Now, other things do last longer. Star clusters can last for a much longer time, depending on the type. Open clusters, such as the one forming here, would last hundreds of millions of years before they dissipate and the stars spread out into space. More dense clusters can last billions of years before being destroyed. But in this case, our monster only has a few million years to live. So that was our picture of the day, titled Mystic Mountain Monster Being Destroyed. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Lost Comet. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.